Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix X input 1_3.dll, not found or missing from Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type DirectX web installer in browser search bar. Click download DirectX end user runtime web installer. Click download. Open downloaded file. Click yes to continue. Check I accept the agreement. Click next. Click finish. Second step is search X input 1_3.dll. Click X input 1_3.dll free download. My system is 64-bit. Click download. Open download file. Copy DLL file. Right-click Start button, Run. Seek a LAN /Windows /System32. Click OK. Paste the copied DLL file. Close and exit folder. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.